Machinery in action. Modern agricultural efficiency. Wheat harvesting machines function similarly to a modern army. Deployed in the fields. The wheat harvester utilizes sharp machinery in action. The ripe seedlings. The gathered wheat is then fed into another machine where the grains are separated from the blades and collected in a separate cart. These machines are large and powered by over vast expanses and swiftly gather the giant lawnmower, a remarkable machine for large-scale use. This formidable equipment is designed for powerful functionality, equipped with large blades and a high-performance motor. The giant lawnmower demonstrates robust stability across various terrains and operates at impressive speeds. The cutter's height is adjustable to meet specific requirements and needs. This machine significantly enhances farmers' harvesting efficiency, capable of covering up to 15,000 meadows per hour. Efficient harvesting of lavender fields through mechanized processes. Witness the color transformation by this giant machinery in action. Experience the remarkable performance. Of the Hikama harvester and its impressive harvest capacity. Grapes, cultivated across diverse climates, from temperate Mexican, USA, Brazil, Chile, Australia, and South Africa. A series of specialized grape care and harvesting machines to tropical and subtropical regions are harvested using this machine, with a working width of up to 4.6 meters, quickly and effectively separates onions from grass and impurities. Mowers significantly contribute to field preparation, nurturing agricultural, helping to improve conditions for newly planted crops. The efficiency and speed of Balers play a pivotal role in harvesting and gathering hay, contributing significantly to the livestock industry by providing a feed source. During a workday, this machine can package and collect more than 4,000 bales of hay, providing a feed source for livestock. In Florida, farmers are implementing a substantial 1,200-meter water. Farmers are currently in the process of setting up an extensive 1,200 meters long water distribution system to facilitate crop irrigation. Distribution system to facilitate crop irrigation using a powerful 400 HP equipment, which greatly simplifies and accelerates the excavation of water pipes. For the irrigation system, the John Deere 9570R, paired with a Great Plains turbo chisel, handles extensive, coupled with a Great Plains turbo chisel, is hard at work tilling a vast expanse of terrain, demonstrating exceptional efficiency even in challenging weather conditions. This powerhouse performs with remarkable speed and efficiency, covering approximately 2